Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. As always, we are just going to hop back in. So for today's video, I am doing a glueless method that I learned recently. So I'm using mostly hair by Ericka J Products. So this is her gel. I'm just using the gel to go ahead and slick back my edges, and then you want to go ahead and brush them back. After you do that, you want to go ahead and sit the cap on your head properly. Now I'm doing a 5x5 closure install, so I do not do that whole ball cap method. I just like to bring the cap up as close as possible to my hairline. And then you want to go ahead and clean your forehead with alcohol. So this is the unit that I'm putting on today. This is 24 or 26 inches of loose wave. So all of my units will come machine constructed with an elastic band inside for extra security and to help it be 100% glueless. So right now I'm just fooling around trying to figure out what style, I'm going to put the unit in once it's installed. Now, I don't know how to braid, like not even a little bit. My braiding skills are like 0. Like I don't know what that is. But yeah, I went ahead and took that out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the install process. So the main product for today is the fluff stuff. So it's the foam. It's the styling foam. It's similar to like Nairobi and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my baby hair. This is very important when you're doing this method. You need to pull out the baby hair first if you decide to have them. If you do not want baby hair, then fine, you wouldn't pull them out. But it's going to be very difficult after we do this step for you to pull out the baby hair last. So you have to pull out the baby hair first. You want to go ahead and apply the foam right in between the baby hair and the hairline. That's where that's basically like the glue. So you're gonna do that 2, 3, 4 times, however many times you decide. I believe I did it about 3 times. And you want to make sure that none of that foam gets on the baby hair, because the foam has a sticky consistency, so it's going to make your baby hair like very hard and crunchy and hard to lay down once you're finished. So you can go ahead and blow dry it like I'm doing, or you can just put like a wrap on. I'm blow drying it for the sake of the video and because I just didn't want to be here all day. So this is her holding spray. After you put the foam and blow dry it, I'm going to go add a layer or 2 of the holding spray just to give it some extra bonding, security. I live in Miami, so I need, sometimes I need that extra reinforcement. So you can see the holding spray did get on my baby hair, so I'm just brushing them out and wiping it with some alcohol because I don't want crunchy baby hair. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Mega Melt Band. You guys can purchase these from my website. They are $10. Yeah, get you one. So now I'm going to go ahead and part out the hair. I'm going to be doing a side part for this style today. Now you can use any wax stick. I know everybody and their mother has their own wax stick, but I like to use this one. I call it Cure. I don't know if that's right. I'm pretty sure that's not right. But this is the wax stick that I like to use. You just need very minimal, and it gives it a really, really good shine once you add the heat. So if you guys just watch, you'll see, look at the shine. A really, really, really nice shine. Now you can overdo it with this wax stick, just like I'm pretty sure you can with any other wax stick. You can make the hair very oily and very stiff, so you don't want to overdo it. You want to just put it on your part area, and that's it. So you guys can see the shine. It's all flat. And now I'm going to go ahead and just wet the hair. Now I love loose wave because there's literally no maintenance to it. Like, look, all I'm doing is wetting the hair, putting some leave-in conditioner by Ericka J, squirt, rubbing it in, and bam, good to go, done. Deep wave, could never. I would have to comb it through. Kinky curly, could never. I would have to brush it through, put it in sections, and do all that craziness. 1, 2, 3 sprays, 1, 2, 3 pumps of conditioner, and we are good to go with this loose wave texture. So this is actually a texture that I'm soon to be releasing because I just love it. Look at it. Look how easy it is to manage. So now I'm going to take off my band. Look at that melt. Okay. Oh, that's definitely not even how you do it, but I tried. So now I'm going to go ahead and trim my baby hair. So I already installed this unit before, but I decided to take out more baby hair. So that's why some pieces are longer and some pieces are shorter. So I'm just going to go ahead and recut the baby hair to my liking. Okay, so you want to take your edge brush or your toothbrush, whatever. I'm going to be using, I was going to use the Hold Me Down spray, but I decided to use the, I believe that's Paul Mitchell. I decided to use that spray instead. So you want to just go ahead and spray it on your edge brush or your toothbrush, and then you want to start to form the baby hair. I found that with using a hairspray on the baby hair, it doesn't get them all crunchy. Like if I was to use that for holding that foam, excuse me, by Ericka J, my baby hair will be very crunchy and it will be kind of hard to comb out. With the holding spray, it's like a very light hold, so it gives you the fluffy baby hair. So baby hair are tricky. You want to just keep I don't know what's wrong with my voice. You want to just keep going, playing with them until you get them to your liking. I am going to add a little bit of Afro G mousse. You'll see that a few times in this clip, but it's very minimal, very little, just to help it form the shape a little better. Now this side of the baby hair were a little too thick for me, so I'm just gonna go in and pluck the baby hair out, and then I'll go ahead and lay it per usual, and that's how much I took out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry that down. It's really already dry, but that's just like extra reinforcement. So I'm gonna take some more alcohol on the rag, just clean up my mess, make sure no product leaked. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that extra product out because it made the hair like really sticky from the holding spray and from the fluff stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and add water and comb it out just so it's not, you know, hard and stuck. Girls, ladies, gentlemen, whoever is watching this, if you do not have a hot comb, you need to invest in a hot comb if you wear wigs. Like, it's a no-brainer. Hot comb equals wigs. Wigs equals hot comb. That's how you're going to get the best results. No matter curly hair, straight hair, no matter what, you need that. Okay, so this is basically the final look. Actually, it is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick, simple video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.